we have to change fraction to decimal, and we have to use a repeat bar. So first, when we have to change fraction to decimal, what we have to do? We have to divide numerator by the denominator. So 4 we have to divide by 15. So let's do this. We will use long division. Our divisor is 15, so let me set long division 4. And next, because we cannot put 15 to 4, after 4 is invisible decimal point, and we will add extra zeros. Let's put, for example, at the beginning 3 zeros. We will see what will be when we will do long division. So next, how many times you can put 15 to 4? 0. 0 times 15 is 0. So we have subtraction. 4 minus 0 is 4. What next? We have to take a decimal point, and we have to take down next digit. So will be 40. Decimal point is here. We have to divide 40 by 15. It will be 2. 2 times 15 is 30. Subtraction, so it will be 10. What next? We have to take down next digit. 0. So we have 100 divided by 15. It will be 6. 6 times 15. It will be 90. Subtraction. So it will be 10. We have to take down next digit. Again, 100 divided by 15 is 6. 6 times 15 is 90. Subtraction again. So 100 minus 90 is 10. Let's add next two zeros. We will see what will be. We take next 0 down. So it will be again 100 divided by 15 is 6. 6 times 15 give me 90. Again, subtraction. So we have 10, and we take next digit. Again, will be 100. And we see that this 6 repeats. We cannot finish this division. So we can rewrite that 4 over 15 is approximately equal 0 decimal point, because whole number, we don't have whole number, so it will be 0. And whatever we got on the top, 2, 6, 6, 6, 6. But because this 6 repeats, what we can do when the number repeats, we can use repeat bar, and we can rewrite that this is equal 4 over 15 is equal to 0 decimal point 2, and because 6 repeats, we just write bar above 6 because 6 repeats. So this is my solution. Instead of writing 666, we can write just 6 and bar above 6. This is my solution.